Welcome to the Friday night update of this major storm that's shaping up for next week. And you know it's a major storm when it's a Friday night and I'm getting home to do a video update. So, I'll be going out tonight, but when the European model comes in, rest assured, I will be looking at my phone, seeing what it looks like, because today's run was wild. And let's go through. I can't show the European, there's copyright issues with it, but I want to show the Canadian, which is the closest thing I can get, and show you what's going on. And then I'll go into more detail. Try to keep this video no more than 4 minutes. So here are two disturbances now coming on shore. This comes on shore tomorrow morning, so the sampling's really going to drastically improve tonight and tomorrow, so those model runs are extremely important. But what's going on is now every run of the models, it's diving this component down even more. The more this dives, I talked about it all week, the more cold air, the deeper the storm is. And when the storm's deeper, it manufactures its own cold air, which is very important. So by the time we get to Monday, you could see this big deepening storm system. We have a full phase system here. This is the Arctic jet up here, actually, trying to get a little bit of that involved. And European has this up here phased even more. So it's just a wild situation. Here's the base. I'll show you another map here of what the Canadian model looks like. So this is the rain coming through this weekend. Okay, there's all this high pressure to the north, so it blocks. Its storm just sits there. There's a lot of amplification to the west, high pressure to the north. So it's blocking the storm. This storm for the weekend lingers, the energy lingers, and basically that northern shortwave here comes over there, catches up to it. And look at the storm that this damn thing creates. I mean, the European's even more crazy than this. And what the European does is develops it here, and it basically has it do two loops. So the storm loops and loops again, and it's a very prolonged period of precipitation. Somebody's going to get blasted with snow. And even up to 95, you can't rule out just north and west of 95 for this event. I know a lot of my viewers are in that area. Even south and east, this could end as snow if the European comes to fruition. But I tell you, this is just very impressive. I want to show you. This is the British model on the left, UK Met, and European on the right. Look at the consistency. This is valid at the same time. And the last three runs, both these models are real close to each other. They're very accurate models of both of them. I don't think the UK Met gets enough credit. And you can see, even as I go ahead here, they're still showing a similar low track. So this thing is completely closing off. We have a major, major situation evolving for next week. This is not to be taken lightly. Even if it's rain, there should be a lot of wind. And you don't see something like this too often. I mean, maybe once every couple of years, a setup like this, even more than that. So, it's something that we have to keep an eye on. I'm going to tell you right now, my call is a major storm is coming. A lot of areas get significant snows. 95, we'll have to wait. But I'm going to put a prediction out this weekend. I think I'm going to have enough information by tomorrow to do that. So you'll hear from me first. And keep checking in. A lot more to come on Twitter. And also tomorrow I'll have an update in the morning.